So tonight's video is on legal and law. So it's all probably a little bit confusing, and even I'm confused about it. But what I think is going on is that basically law is your rights. Okay? So you've got the right to do this, you've got the right to do that, obviously so long as you don't harm anyone, and that's the whole motto of common law. You know, we're all equal. Doesn't matter whether you're a pigtard, doesn't matter, or just a normal person. You're all equal under the law, and we've all heard that before, haven't we? Now, where it gets tricky is legal. So people think that legal is law. Sure, it probably can be. So I made a comment on a post the other day. It was in regard to acquiescence. So silence is acquiescence, which is agreement. And someone got back to me and goes, well, that's law, that's not legal. I go, well, that's great. I go, that'd go down nicely at the Supreme Court if you've entered into a legal agreement lawfully because you were silent. That's going to go down real well. You're not going to get any real remedy in regard to that, are you? And these Supreme Courts and stuff like that, they're not interested in whether there's a good judgment made or a bad judgment made. All they're interested is if there's a legal agreement. So you can acquiesce into agreements and stuff like that. Like, let's take Fines Victoria. So you've got the license and the registration with Vic Roads. Then Fines Victoria send you a legal document, and you don't respond with a cease and desist notice, and then you're wondering why the next thing you're getting points taken off from your license. Well, you've just entered into a legal arrangement. You've allowed Fines Victoria to be the administrator of your corporate fiction, and you didn't do anything about it. You were silent. So you've lawfully entered into a legal arrangement with Fines Victoria. So start responding to your notices with cease and desist notices. I will put a copy of my cease and desist notice that I basically send to everyone in the comments. So just copy that out, and when Fines Victoria try and interject themselves into some commercial arrangement that you've made with another corporation, or the pigtards try and interject their way into some commercial arrangement that you've made with some other corporation, or a magistrate tries to interject his way into some commercial arrangement, don't enter into a legal agreement. Alright, have fun.